compound sentence, I make it a complex sentences. So I am adding the words jab and tab. Jab में कितना पढ़ रहा हूँ, तब वो भी क्या लगा गई. So there's a complex sentences have a pair of conjunctions. A set of conjunctions used to make a words. So these things you know that. So come forward, then we come to know that two type of vakya, upavakyas in that sentences, Sangyukt Vakya or Mixed Vakya. The Sangyukt Vakya have the two sentences. These two are that main class. We say that main class. That means that Pradhan Upavakyas. And then Mixed Vakyas. There are the two sentences. In these two sentences,